Wondering how to find winning products in DSers? Here's how you do it fast and easy. First, head to the Find Suppliers tab inside DSers. This is where you'll see trending products directly from AliExpress updated in real time. These are based on order volume, ratings, and delivery success, so you're not guessing. You're working with data. Next, filter by category, shipping country, or even delivery speed. Want fast shipping to the US? Just toggle ship from US and sort by bestsellers. In 2025, Deezers made this even smoother with a built-in product analyzer showing profit margins and delivery times. Pay close attention to products with thousands of orders, high ratings, and supplier badges. These are solid signs that product is already performing well. You can also use the Supplier Optimizer to compare prices and shipping options across different sellers for the same product, giving you the best deal every time. And that's how you find winning products in Deezers. Quick, data-driven, and beginner-friendly. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and stick around for my step-by-step demo on launching your first product with Deezers.